Hi, today my topic is database type. First, let's think about the issue. A database is a collection of information that is organized to get access. Thus, how do we categorize database according to our demands, the speed, the function of database, or the security issues? Since the database is applied widely and normally, people start to have specific demands to database operations such as speed and high security. As the environment database has been categorized on the basis of functions, today we will focus on the different type of database and see how they perform differently. Uh, Here's the outline, and to begin with, I would like to figure out what's a database. A database is an organized collection of data, typically in digital form. The database is easily to access, manage, and update, and we manage data more efficiently when the data is stored in a database. A database evolved from computer file system. So why database? Database solve a series of problems in database management and in much more area than before, such as business, research, administration, database work, and interact with other applications. So first of all, I would like to introduce the relational database. This is the most common type of database, and the data in relational database is stored in various data table. Each table have a key field to connect it to other tables. The best example of relational database is Microsoft SQL and Sybase. This is in this picture. This is an example of relational database, and we will find there are many tables such as names, characters, title, links. They are connected through the IDs, names, which store the data about the films title and the actor's name. The second one is documented-oriented database. This is a computer program designed for storing, retrieving, and managing document-oriented or semi-structured data information. And in this picture, it's a symbol example about searching people's name and address. These data are all stored as documentation, and we just search by first name, last name, and address to find out individuals' person information and address information. The third one is operational database, which generates a huge amount of data. All the data about inventory management, purchase, and transaction is collected in operational database, which is hugely important to organizations. The database include a consumer database, personal database, and detail of how much of a product. The data stored in operational database can be changed and multiplied depending on what companies require. And in this picture, we will find that the enterprise server and the group work servers are connected by operational database, and all the servers generate the data and store in operational database. The distribute database works across several different states. They are costed by different office location, manufacturing plants, and a head of office in a corporation. Each of these groups may have their own database, which together for, will form main database. In this picture, we'll find there are four individual database manager. They own uh, they own one distributed database which have four function of database, but these four database will generate a huge complete database and connect by networks. Company in different location will share their information. The graph database is stored as a graph structure using nodes, edges, and properties. Oops.